Hello my sweet friends, and welcome to DIY with Nadia, where we love everything that's related to wreaths. My sidekick here is Mr. Louie, and in today's video we are going to be talking about top 20 supplies that I get from the Dollar Tree to make my wreaths. This is going to be a fun video, so grab a cup of tea, coffee, whatever you would like to drink, and let's have some fun going through the supplies I use for my wreaths from the Dollar Tree. As a disclaimer, I have to mention that this is not a promotional video. This is seriously just the stuff I buy on a daily basis. I'm going to get this list started with my number one supply, and if you go to Dollar Tree and make wreaths, it's probably yours also. And that is Wreath Forms, especially the metal Wreath Forms. They come in different shapes, sizes, for holidays, non-holidays. The standard 14-inch one that I use all the time, and of course let's not forget the beaded ones or just different ones that are maybe grapevine. Whatever wreath forms they do have, usually it's a great idea to stock up on them because everywhere else they're going to be a little bit more expensive. Number two is signs, holiday or non-holiday signs, and they just have such an abundance of them, and they're so adorable, especially Christmas time, fall time, or springtime. I find like they just have cute signs. In the description box below, let me know how many signs have you bought. It doesn't matter if you're a wreath maker or not. Maybe you bought it for your office, for your home. And the bottom line is they're a good deal. And when it comes to me, I can't even tell you how many signs I bought. Hundreds, I don't know. But I bought a lot because I make wreaths, I decorate with them. I use a lot of their signs. Number three is florals, but with a little caution there. I have bought florals that are for the holidays, picks, or sometimes decorative kind of florals or stems. And I have to say, not all of them are beautiful. I pick through the florals that I buy from the Dollar Tree. I do. Not all the flowers look pretty. Not all the flowers are worth what you're paying, kind of, you know. But there are florals that are definitely worth it. When I think of Dollar Tree florals, my number one flower that comes to mind are ranunculus because of the way they're open. They're just so beautiful and stunning. Some greenery. I have bought many greenery, and greenery, nobody knows where you bought it. It's not like greenery needs to be something extravagant like a floral where you kind of need it to look realistic, right? And then the other thing is picks. You guys, I am a huge fan of the Dollar Tree picks because when you look at this little pick, you would have never guessed that this is from the Dollar Tree. Look at everything that comes in this pick. Also Dollar Tree. And then also greenery picks. That's another good one. Here is one that's absolutely adorable. Can you tell that these are from the Dollar Tree? No. Do they look cheap? No, they don't. They look gorgeous and stunning. Look at this. I mean, really. So picks are one of those things that I will always take a look at the Dollar Tree, especially around the holidays. We had some gorgeous nautical ones last year that have a little seahorse or just seaweed and stuff like that. Those are cute. And then of course Christmas, I can't even get started on those. You guys get what I'm saying, right? The picks are just worth it. Number four is holiday supplies. They just have such an array of everything from tinsel for every holiday, for even for Valentine's, signs and little trinkets, little everything. I mean, I've gone to doctor's offices, I don't know, mechanic offices, where you see Dollar Tree supplies in their decor somewhere because it's cheap and it's nice. It really brightens up wherever you're working, brightens up your home. I feel like every major holiday that we celebrate here in the United States, you can definitely find stuff at the Dollar Tree to help you decorate your home. And that kind of includes even Super Bowl, which is not a holiday, but it is a party theme, and you can find stuff for Super Bowl when the time comes around. Number five, pipe cleaners. I got this one in a solid color during Christmas, but they also come in multicolor packs if that's what you would like, and these are great for your wreath form. A roller cutter. When I asked in my community tab if you guys love these, a lot of people do, a lot of people don't. Some people say it dulls quick, and this one's easy to use. You push it down to expose the blade, push it up for safety, and that's it. The last one I had lasted 2 years. I'll be honest, my current favorite one is a pink one I got on Amazon. I have a link for it in the description box and in my shop, but I always have this little baby as my backup. Next, craft clamps. Oh my goodness, am I a fan of these. These big ones I use all the time, and the little ones I use also, but I do love the big ones a lot when you're doing 2 curls that you're putting in a little bundle. So I'll just, it's big, it'll grab the curl real nicely. I love these. So 2 of these, or you can get 6 of these. Number 8 is ribbon, but not all ribbon is created equally. I'm very picky when it comes to Dollar Tree ribbon, especially wired ribbon, because I just don't always have success with it. What I love, and absolutely why this is even on this list, is because of this ribbon. I am obsessed with this mesh ribbon from the Dollar Tree. The white one I use when I need to add a little bit of elegance to something. The beige and the brown one is perfect for fall. I just used a green one in a little fishing wreath that I did for my dad. So this ribbon is amazing. The other ribbon that I do buy from the Dollar Tree is this burlap ribbon. It does come in a few colors for the holidays. Then we have this one, which is pretty much known to everyone. It has little lace on it. And then this type of ribbon, it does come in different colors also for the holidays. Number 9 is jute cord or nautical ribbon. You have wired jute cord, which is really cool to use in projects, but all of these are a great value. Decorative mesh. What I mean by that is this stuff. The stuff that looks like it has snow on it. It comes out for pretty much every holiday. It's super cute, super nice. And then there's also one that has kind of glitter on it. This one has little snowflakes for kind of Christmas, winter. But this is the stuff that is super expensive in pretty much every other craft hobby store that you can find it in. It's not the cheap stuff, but this is great quality. It's super cute, easy to work with. I absolutely love this stuff. Number 11, mesh tube. I love this stuff. I try to use it when I'm trying to give my wreaths a little bit of a whimsical look. You can put these in your ribbon bundles. So much fun. They're easy to use, and they are a great value at currently $1.25. Number 12 is floral foam. I love this stuff. This is great for when you're making floral wreaths and maybe you're just using a wire little wreath form and you want to add some flowers. You grab this, use a little bit of floral wire to wrap it, and insert florals. These are great for that. This is more for maybe centerpieces, little bouquets, or maybe a basket wreath. Speaking of floral foam, you need floral wire. As you can see, they come in different colors. They're mostly 26 gauge, but sometimes you can find a little bit of a thicker ones. But I use these sometimes just to secure flowers to a wreath form. Maybe you're making a grapevine wreath and you need to secure a flower here or there. These are great to use for that. Number 14 is finger protectors. And I love these. When working with hot glue, sometimes you need these, especially when you're working with high temperature hot glue gun. These are a lifesaver or finger saver. But these are really, really good. I always have them on my craft table. Number 15 is tablecloths. I love making tablecloth wreaths. They are so much fun to do. They take a long time to do because it's a little bit tedious, but I promise you when you're done, it looks fantastic. And these wreaths are phenomenal for wedding showers, baby showers, anything. I've made a little wreath for my little niece's birthday, which was pink and white, and I think I used even 2 colors of pink. It's a lot of elegance, but I've also seen these wreaths done with fall colors, Christmas colors, endless options. You guys, these are super, super great. If you have not seen a tablecloth wreath, I will insert 1 or 2 in the description box so you have an idea of what I'm talking about and you can see just how gorgeous these wreaths can be. Speaking of unique supplies that I make wreaths out of, what about a shelf liner? I love making shelf liner wreaths because they're not afraid of being wrinkled or hurt or anything like that. It's a shelf liner. It'll stand up. It's durable. The one that I made for my mom, I think 3 years ago, still standing, still there. It's just so durable, so awesome to make wreaths out of these. And by the way, it's quick to make a wreath out of these guys and super simple. So if you want, I'll attach some videos of these too. My last one, I did one for Father's Day for my dad. It was a fishing theme and that one turned out phenomenal using shelf liner wreaths. Next, we have fabric, felt, faux fur, those rolls that Dollar Tree has of different things, even a burlap piece. Dollar Tree has some awesome things that you can use for particular projects. They are not huge rolls, but they are awesome. And the fabrics, my goodness, the prints that they have are super cute. They'll have sunflowers for fall and little trucks for Christmas and, you know, just little bunnies for Easter. They really do good with the prints they get, I feel like. Let me know in the description box if you ever buy fabric or, in this case, even a little bit of burlap and, of course, felt. We're almost at the end, you guys. Number 18 is vase fillers. Do I ever love these things? Number 1, you can use these when you need a center for something, for a flower, or maybe for a ribbon bundle that's kind of open. Use this and cover the pipe cleaner that you can see. These are such a fun element because they are light. This is just foam with glitter on top, you guys. They are amazing and I absolutely love using them in wreaths. Seriously, I do. I really do. Quick tip to find these, you will either see them in the holiday stuff or in the wedding stuff that's there year round. Sometimes you will be able to find them, or maybe like the baby area, they'll have the pink and blue ones there. So take a look in that area, and of course the holiday section would usually have these. Number 19 is a steering wheel cover or a placemat. The placemat has been hard for a lot of you to find, but you can still find it online in places like Amazon, and I bet you like Temu probably has it. But the steering wheel is still there. This is a great way to cover the back of the wreath where you have all your pipe cleaners and everything going on, and it gives your wreath such a professional and beautiful look. The last thing I'm going to mention is your craft room and my craft room and how we organize it. For example, I use buckets like this from the Dollar Tree to sort my florals, and I have them stacked on one of my metal shelves. I absolutely love these. I sort the flowers sometimes by colors and by holidays. And there are other supplies like little shelves, little drawers, little bins, things that we need to kind of keep everything organized while we're making our wreaths, because that is kind of important, right? So with that being said, I think that's it, you guys. That's all 20. If you feel like there's something you love using from the Dollar Tree that I didn't mention, definitely let me know in the comments below, because you're not only going to be helping me out, you will be helping others in our wreath making community. And speaking of that, don't forget that I do have a Facebook group that you can join and share your beautiful creations, because YouTube doesn't kind of allow us to share that. But in our Facebook community, you can share your gorgeous wreaths. And if you're having problem making a wreath, there will be others that will help you, give you ideas. And it's just called DIY with Nadia Wreath. So if you're not in the community, definitely join us. We would love to have you. With that being said, thank you so much for being with us. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, my friends. Mwah!